G'day guys, welcome back to the Bendigo Hydroblasting workshop. I'm Craig. Today it is colder than the bejesus outside, and to add insult to injury, it's just started to rain a little bit. But we're out here toiling away. We're going to have a go at cleaning up a set of Triumph 650 engine cases for a customer today. I'll give you a look at the cases, then we'll chuck them in the hydroblasting cabinet and we'll give them a clean up and see what you reckon. So here's a look at what we've got. I actually love doing these Triumph parts. These, as you can see, look pretty ordinary, but when I'm done, they come up an absolute $1 million. The customers are usually gobsmacked when they see these. The quality of this aluminium's pretty good. So I'll just get in a bit closer with these and try and get a still shot on those, because when they're done, I'll pop a picture of them as they are here up in the corner of the video. Righto, let's chuck them in this bad boy and let's get the party started. But before I do that, I'll just turn them over and give you a look at the inside of them as well. Righto, let's go. And there's the first case done there. That's looking very nice, isn't it? Just the inside there compared to the inside of that one. People have asked me about glass residue and how I get it all out of there. I rinse them out thoroughly, blow them out, and I always tell the customers when it's dry, if you give them a quick work over with compressed air, any dried glass in there just falls out piece of piss. Anyhow, I'll flick them over and we'll have a look at the other side. Compare that one to that one. Oh yeah. Now imagine you're doing a $20,000 restoration on your motorcycle and the bloke building your engine rebuilds it and gives it back to you with cases like looking like that. You'd really start to question his ability, I reckon. Anyway, we'll move on to this one and see what we can do with it. And there's the second case out of the booth. That is looking delicious, eh? Anyway, let's move on to this other cover next and see what we can do with it. Oh, who's your daddy? And here's a bit of a closer look at that cover. Early burly, doesn't that look all right? That goes on there. How about we put it on there and see how it looks? Yeah, look at that. Very pleasing results. Well, viewers, it's a bit later on. Customer's been and picked up his parts. He was absolutely speechless when he saw the results there. He was wrapped. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I'll leave it at this. I'm knocked off now, having a Leo. And don't forget, subscribe, like, do all that stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.